What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Nose back here at 10 Boys Customs. Guys, we got the Stinky Pinky rocket out here. We're gonna do some ripping with it. The GoPro won't seem to tighten for some reason. It should be okay. Let's see. See how the GoPro works with this bumpy bike.
This beat is Street Rhapsody, a DJ Freedom fire beat.
I don't even know if I can put fuel in this thing. We're gonna find out, I guess. It's gonna be a chore. Oh, man. How you doing there, fella? Good to see you, man. I'm riding mini bike.
I never could find it.
Tampa Boys Customs. Tampa Boys Customs on YouTube. We're going to the Gambler on November 7th. The big race, yeah. I'm riding a mini bike right now.
Number 7. And then I'll check these in a little bit. If you got customs on.
Hello. My card wouldn't work out there.
Number one?
Yeah, number one's
How
like
much you want?
$2.
$2. Go ahead.
If it'll hold that.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day. Going in? Yeah, no problem. Stupid machine won't take my card. This is gonna be fun. Gosh, eyes are spilling everywhere. $2, amazing. Oh yeah, it wouldn't hold me more either. Not I spilled gas everywhere. We're driving a bomb here. Just a little bit of gas spill. Now we can go rip around. Run me over.
mini bikes.
Mini bikes and basketball, anyone? Huh? Yeah, maybe? Tennis? Trump flags, guys. Look at this shit. Trump 2020, baby. About to win that thing.
Oh yeah, baby, Trump 2020.
Hell yeah.
Yo.
There it is, guys. Another awesome adventure on the old Stinky Pancake. Oh, I forgot to get my drink. Dang. Crap. I ain't getting nothing to drink, folks. There it is, guys. This is Stinky Pinky with a Predator 212 Stage 1 kit, Governor Delete. And that's it. And she rips. I got to figure out what's going on. She's really breaking up on the big end right now for some reason. I don't know what's going on with that. I got to figure that out. Maybe just a jetting or a carburetor issue, or maybe valves. I have no clue, but we'll open her up and figure it out. And we'll get it fixed. No big deal. All right, guys. Always like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. Wow, this is a long one. Holy crap. Peace.